Welcome back to Lolita's Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to be bringing you a delicious dish from Cuba known as Ajiaco. It's basically a stew with meats, different type of meats, and different type of vegetables, root vegetables. Also in Puerto Rico and in Dominican Republic, they also eat the same thing, but it's called sancocho. So, but pretty much it's all the same, you know, with a little different spices here and there, but all together it's a delicious dish and you have to try it. So follow me for the ingredients. Tonight I'm going to be making the ajiaco in a pressure cooker because I really don't have time tonight and I got home late. So but I just wanted to show you how I make mine. The ingredients change all the time, so don't kill me. Okay, so here we go. I have the season that I always use, SAZON completa, because it has everything in it. I still add garlic because I love garlic. I'm a garlic fanatic. I also have garlic right here. So, I'm gonna use a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of oregano, and that's what I have right here. So I have a half can of tomato sauce, SAZON Nor in the pack. This has to taste flavorful. I love seasoning. 1 pack of chicken broth and olive oil to saute. Okay, so I have a sweet potato, about 1 sweet potato. I have 1 small onion, a half red pepper, a half green pepper, calabaza, which is over here, carrots, yuca, and corn. Oh, I almost forgot, cilantro and parsley. And the chicken is right here that I cleaned and washed with vinegar. Okay, so this pressure cooker has a mold where you can heat up or saute things. So I have it on the saute mode right here, saute. So I'm going to put a little olive oil in the pot. Now this looks kind of dark, so I think I'm going to try to pull the pressure cooker a little closer so you can have more light. Okay, so I guess you can see. Alright, so I put some oil already inside here, olive oil. So I'm going to now put the vegetables inside. I'm going to saute the peppers first, then I'm going to add the rest of the vegetables. So I added the chicken, and so now I'm going to cover it up, and I'll check back with you in about an hour. So I'm going to add this a little later. This is plantain, sweet plantain, plátano maduro, but I can't add it too early because it's already ripened and it's soft. So I'm going to add that at the end. Typically you would add plátano macho, but that's the green plantain, but I don't have it. I don't have any tonight. Well guys, this is my ajiaco. Look at how delicious.